In this video, we're going to learn all about the top toolbar of the Yearbook Avenue Page Designer. By the top toolbar, I mean this area. The Johnson's logo on the top left-hand corner, when you push that, it will always take you back to the main home screen of Yearbook Avenue. Clicking on File, I can save my work, or I can save my work as a template. If you create a click and go, which would just be a small part of a layout, for example, a few photos and a few text boxes, when I hold down the Shift key and select all of those elements, I can come under File and save that as a click and go to re-access. Remember, it's just a part of a template, not the entire template. I can also save this page or this spread as a practice page. I can create a new practice page from here. I can also create a new master template from here. Under Edit, I can undo, redo, cut, copy, paste, delete. A cool feature is the Select option. Here I can select all the images on a page, all the text boxes on a page, etc. I can also select all the color on a page, and here where it says Context, you would just select All, and you can tell Yearbook Avenue anything on this page that is blue, I want it to be purple. And when I push that Change option, it will change all of those elements at once. It's a very cool feature. Under View, this is where I can hide those grid lines. I can hide that blue page border. I can uncheck Snap to Grid. That will allow me to move elements in teeny tiny increments on my pages. If you do create guides by dragging them out of your rulers, you'll be able to hide them here under the View option. I can hide those rulers if I want, or even lock those guides. Zooming in and zooming out, we can do up in the top right-hand corner of our screen. But you can also just view the left-hand side or the right-hand side. Right now we're viewing facing pages. Under Arrange, there's a cool option for mirroring, which will allow you to flip your page. This is cool if you want to do variations of a template. Go to will take you back home, take you to the page letter, the page mover, etc. The icons that you see are there for a reason. They're meant to be used almost every single day, every single time. If we hover our mouse, the program will tell us what they are. Remember, Yearbook Avenue is always talking to you. You just have to listen. So if I hover my mouse over this, it says Save. Preview Page is how I print my page. Undo, redo. Highlight incomplete elements is going to show me anything that is undone on these pages. Spell check. I can also lock elements. Now, locking is really cool because when I push this drop-down bar, I can see the lock feature. That will replace the bounding box dots with locks, meaning this thing is not going anywhere and nothing can get into it. But I can also lock the position of an element. This will allow you to drag images in and crop them, but you can't move the box itself. Only editors and advisors have the capability to lock, unlock, and lock position. These three elements, place new photo box, place new text box, and place new shape, are the three elements that are most important to page creation. So if I select this drop-down bar, you'll see there's a variety of options in terms of shapes of photos. Here I can create an advanced text box, a page number, or text in an arc or a circle. And I can also create shapes in a variety of shapes and sizes, including lines. Now that I have these three shapes made, the next icon is Place New Note. You'll see I've created one here and typed, "Hi guys." It will have your name and the date you left the note. To collapse the note, simply double-click on the purple circle, and to delete it, just push the Delete button on your keyboard. There's also a share feature for when you finish a page. You have to be logged in as a yearbook advisor, but you can share these spreads to Facebook or email up to 10 times per year. Up on the top right-hand corner, the last feature we want to talk about is the zoom feature. I can click on an element and I can zoom in on it.